Hi, I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. Today, we will discuss about e-invoice, how to appoint directors or business owner in MyTax account. Let's get started. First, directors or business owner of a company need to log into your MyTax account in MyTax Portal. Once you log into your MyTax account, click the profile icon on the top right corner. Then, click Role Application. Next step, for type of application, select New Application. And for type of role, if you're directors of a Sendirian Berhad or partners of a partnership, then you select Directors of Company or Organization Administrator. But if you're business owner of a sole proprietor, then you select Business Owner. For example, I'm a directors of a company. Then I select Directors. Then for TIN number, you need to put in your company tax identification number or your company TIN number. Please take note, do not put in the character for your TIN number. Example for Sendirian Berhad, your C number, do not put in the C letter, just put in the numbers. For sole proprietor, do not put in your IG wording, just put in the numbers. If your TIN number is correct, your company will display accordingly. Then, click Upload. Select one of your business documents to upload to prove that you are the directors of a business owner of a company. For example, for Sendirian Berhad, you may upload Form 49. Then, click the Terms and Conditions and click Submit. Key in your password and click Signature. It may take some time for IRB or LHDN to approve your application. Once approved, if you go back to your MyTax account and add role selections, instead of just individual, now you are able to select directors of the companies. So this is the step of how to appoint yourself as directors or business owner of a company for your tax purpose or for MyInvoice purpose. Please join my social media and most important, join my WhatsApp channel to get the latest information regarding SQL accounting system and also my sharing about e-invoice. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.